Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Yes, a spark plug can indeed cause intermittent misfire in an engine. This typically occurs when the spark plug is worn out, fouled, or incorrectly gapped, leading to inconsistent ignition of the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber. Symptoms include rough idling, lack of power, and uneven engine performance. To resolve this issue, inspect and replace the faulty spark plug or adjust the gap to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring smooth engine operation and optimum performance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.